What is the question given here? Construct angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees without using protractor. So, without using protractor, you have to construct an angle 60 degrees. So, you don't use this protractor. Okay. You have to use a ruler and compass. And how to draw an angle 60 degrees? Now, check it. Okay. See, first, take your ruler, all of you. So first draw a line. Any measurement you have to take, draw a line. Okay, draw a line. Line has no endpoints. Okay, so draw a line. On that line you have to put one point. Any point you have to take. Suppose here A is there, no? So take B here. Okay, angle ABC given, no? So you have to write here B. And you have to put the point, first you have to put the point B here. Next, take the compass, all of you. First you have to draw this line, all of you. Draw the line, any measurement you have to take, draw a line. On that line, you have to put the point B. Put the point B. Okay, now take the compass, keep it on B. Take the compass, keep it on B. So take any radius. Okay, any radius you have to take it. Now draw an arc like this. Any radius you have to take it and keep it on B. You have to draw an arc like this. Okay, ma? So now here this line and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here C. You have to put the point here C. Okay. Next, don't close this compass. Same radius you have to take it. Where you have to take it B, that same radius, keep it on C. Did you understand, ma? Keep it on C. You have to again draw an arc. Okay, same radius where you have to take on B, that radius only you have to take it on C also. Draw an arc like this. Okay, ma? Next, see here, these two arcs will be intersected here. These two arcs will be intersected here. Now, you have to join this line like this at B. Where the two arcs will be intersected here, you have to join the line. Okay. So now you have to put the point A. Where the two arcs will be intersected here, you have to put the point A. Now, take the protractor, all of you. Keep it on keep it on B. It will be, see, exact 60 degrees is there. Did you get now 60 degrees? Okay, ma'am. Exactly 60 degrees will get here. Okay. So, this is the angle ABC 60 degrees. Did you understand, ma'am, how to draw? Again, I will tell, see. First, you have to take the ruler. Take the ruler and draw a line. Take the ruler and draw a line. And next, on the line, you have to put the point B. On the line, you have to put the point B. Then, what you have to take? Take the compass. Take the compass. Keep it on B. You have to take any radius. No measurement is there. You have to take any radius. On B onwards, you have to draw an arc like this. Okay. And next, here line and this arc will be intersected here, no? So, you have to keep the point there, C. Did you understand, ma'am? Now, same radius. You have to take the same radius. On C onwards, you have to draw another arc. Okay. Now, this arc and this arc will be intersected here, no? So, you have to put the point A and join the line on B. Okay. Did you understand, ma, how to draw? Then afterwards, at last you have to take the protractor. You have to check it only. It will be 60 degrees or not. Keep it on B here. See here. Exactly 60 degrees will get. Okay, ma. So if it is get 60 degrees, this sum will be correct. Did you understand, children? How to draw? Come on, draw now. Come on, draw. Okay, very good. Did you complete, ma, all of you? Now write the next question, second question. So what is the second question, ma? Construct an angle of 120 degrees with using protractor and compass. So you have to construct an angle 120 degrees with using protractor and compass as also. So first you have to draw angle 120 degrees with protractor. Okay. So with protractor, how to draw? It is very easy now. Take the ruler, all of you. So take the ruler and draw a ray or line, any measurement you have to take. Okay. So I have to draw here ray. So you have to put here Q R. Okay. Now take the protractor. So 120 degrees. Now keep it on Q. Keep it on Q. Middle here. So 120 degrees. So line will be extended this side now. So you have to take the inner scale. 120 degrees. Where it is inner scale 120 degrees? Here. Okay. So you have to draw the line. Join this line here. So what is this angle? 120 degrees. So it is using protractor. What is this? Using protractor. Now using compass. How you have to do? See. Using compass. So again, take the scale. Draw a ray. Any measurement you have to take. Draw a ray. I am keeping here Q. And next, take the compass. So take the compass, keep it on Q. Take any radius as you like. Take any radius. On Q onwards, you have to draw an arc like this. Take any radius, draw an arc like this. Okay, like this you have to draw full arc. And without altering this radius, same radius you have to take it. Keep the point here. Here this line and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here R. Okay. Next, on the same radius, take the same radius without altering the radius. Keep it on R. Draw an arc like this. Okay. So here this arc and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here. Any point you have to take it. Yes, like this. Okay. Next, same radius. Don't altering the radius. Same radius you have to take it. Keep it on S. Again, draw an arc like this. Okay. Now this arc and this arc will be intersected here now. You have to put the point here P. Now take the scale. Take the scale. Join here. From Q onwards, you have to join the line QP. Okay. Now Take the protractor, check it whether it is 120 degrees or not. You have to check it. Okay, see here. Keep it on cue. See here. 120 degrees will come now. See here. 120 degrees will come. So you have to draw it. Did you understand ma how to draw? First you have to draw a ray and take any radius. Draw an arc. With the same radius again draw an arc. And again same radius you have to put the compass here and again draw an arc. Then join the line. Take the protractor, check it whether it is 120 degrees or not. Okay ma? Come on, write. Whether you are doing your sum is correct or wrong, you have to check with protractor, amma. See here, 120 degrees will come now. Like this, you will cut. Okay. So with using protractor, using compass.